Alrighty, so we've got our complaint here is that the door is not opening. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and take a look at the latch and see if it's moving at all. So let's see if we have any movement. So you can see it's moving, it's just not moving enough. Okay. So the problem is it's not being retracted far enough. So we have to figure out how to do that. Okay, so now we've got two airbags in here, and we can definitely see that latch a whole lot better now. Take a look and see that little fella right there. All right. Okay. So yeah, just not retracting far enough. Alright, so this latch is completely trashed. Okay. We should be able to save this just by replacing the latch, but yeah, this one is completely trashed out on there. It doesn't even go in anymore. So hopefully we just replace the latch and we're good to go. Alright, so we just so happen to have another latch here. Commercial grade latch, fire rated latch, has the F stamped in it, so we can get them at least going for today. We can order another Marks latch later. That's what we need to do, but right now we're just going to get this thing plugged in so that they can use the door, because they couldn't even get in or out. We're actually going to be replacing this lock after talking with the customer, so this is going to be a temporary fix until we can get a new lock installed.